Enemy was directed by Denis Villeneuve. It stars Jake Gyllenhaal, Melanie Laurent, and Sarah Gadon. And although it's kind of hard to explain, if I were to put it simply, there's a history teacher who is watching a movie when he realizes that one of the extras in the movie looks exactly like him, and he starts to investigate. This wasn't a huge release, and actually I've been trying really hard to see it for a very long time, but no theaters near me have been playing it. It hasn't been on video on demand up until this time, which was, I was so happy. I watched it immediately, and then I immediately watched it again because I had no idea what just happened. I did actually watch this movie twice in a row. That's not a bad thing. Like, when I say I had no idea what happened, like, it was like good. I was like, ooh, what's happening? The plot is very complex, and this is the kind of movie that you have to think. If you don't think when you're watching this, then you're going to be out of your mind confused. And then also, if you take it literally, you're going to be even more confused, especially near the end. But this is very symbolic. There's a lot of hidden meanings in here, and that's why I didn't really understand it the first time. I knew there were things I was missing, because I got a little bit of it. I got most of what happened, I thought. But then I watched it again, I realized so much more, and I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna say like, oh, I understood it all. There's a few things, like the spiders and the key, that I just didn't quite get. They didn't quite fit into my puzzle of this thing, so I had to look up a couple theories. I finally came up with one. I'm not going to share it with you because it's really long and I don't want to spoil anything, but great movie. Jake Gyllenhaal, who is a very underrated actor, gives one of his best performances to date, maybe even his best, as he has to play two very distinct personas, because, again, he has to play both the characters that look exactly the same, and he has to play both of them, and they're very different, and they're both played very well, very fleshed out, and very good. Melanie Laurent, she didn't have that much to do, but she didn't have that much screen time, but she was good in what she had. And Sarah Gadon was actually very good, because once I kind of put together my puzzle of what happened, I realized just how much she had to do and just how great she was doing it. The cinematography is beautiful. A lot of really cool things were done with color and just darkness and atmosphere, and the cinematography really did a great job of encapsulating a lot of what was going on in this movie. The director, whose name I will not try to pronounce again, I hadn't seen any of his movies up until last year's Prisoners, which I loved, so again I was excited to see this, and I think I liked this more than Prisoners, and I'm really looking forward to seeing some of his old movies, which I hadn't heard of previously, but now I'm going in and looking for them, because I really liked what he did. He really had a great understanding of what he was doing, and this story, and the characters, and it was awesome. Like, if you don't get this movie, if you're not the kind of person that can kind of understand symbols and understand the themes and hidden meanings in this, and there are a lot of very subtle Easter eggs in here, not Easter eggs, like visual clues, then you're not going to like this movie. If you're just kind of watching it as, oh, I'll just watch this, you're not going to like this movie. You have to watch this and watch it and observe it and think about it and study it and analyze it, and then you'll love it as much as I did. Everything about this movie came together perfectly for me. The acting, mainly Jake Gyllenhaal, was amazing. The direction was great. Cinematography was great. The visual effects, the few, like, CGI things, I guess, were very cool. They did look convincing, actually. Especially one thing that could easily look fake, but it actually, like, kind of made me jump. Because this whole movie, there's a very undertone of just creepy. This entire movie, you're creeped out, and then the very end, it's just like, what? Like, it actually it was pretty. Anyway, so like I said, writing, acting, direction, everything was perfect, and I think I'm gonna give Enemy an A+. I really like this movie, and because I don't know, I like movies like this that actually make you think. You might not, but I definitely recommend it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.